Guys, here we go. Well, Nick, here you go. We'll do what's up first. Value MLB. Let's randomize it up. See what pack you're getting, man. Good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 35. Alright, 35. Green carpet. You guys let me know how it's going, man. Atlantic City, huh? 35. Out of 55, here we go, man. Good luck. Alright, man, you got a Jason Giambi pinstripe patch out of 250. Game used. Personally worn and used by Jason Giambi. You got a Wonder Franco out of 25. Sterling rookie out of 25. And a Spencer Torkelson Bowman first silver rookie. So Spencer Torkelson, #1 overall pick. Jason Giambi game used. And a Wonder Franco. So you got NL Central. I'm sorry, AL East for the Yankees. Detroit is AL Central. Tampa Bay Rays. I don't know what the Rays are. AL East. They're in the AL East as well. Okay. Alright, Nick. There you have that, brother. And then Premier Pack Football is coming up next. Thank you.